In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your already awesome Viltrox 85mm F1.8 into an 85 F1.6. Yes, it's possible, and yes, we're doing it right now. So you heard right, today I'm showing you how to upgrade your 85 F1.8 Viltrox and turn it into an F1.6. It is possible. Apparently, Viltrox has released a secret firmware update to a lot of its fans over in China where it's made. So let's jump in. I'm gonna walk you through step by step today to show you how to go about this upgrade. It's not exactly as easy as just a quick firmware update. There's a few more steps involved, and all you're gonna need today is a few minutes, your camera, the lens of course, a USB connection, your computer, and that's pretty much it. So let's dive in. So step one is to download the firmware. And you can find it in a link in the description that I've left for you. And do note that this firmware is not on the North American Viltrox website, so it's not completely official. Use it at your own risk. Having said that, you can revert easily to older firmware, and here's the rest of the steps. On the bottom of your lens, you'll find a convenient little USB port. The next thing we'll do is install our firmware, and you do that by connecting it to the computer. So with your computer on, as soon as you connect the lens, a window should pop up. There'll be only one file in it called device information. You can click on it to see the lens's current information, including firmware version. As you can see, mine's already upgraded to 1.1.4, and yours most likely will have a lower number. Next, close that file and open up the folder with the downloaded firmware. Inside you'll find two files, a DAT file and a text file with some instructions. All you need to do at this point is drag and drop the DAT file into your lens's folder. This will automatically install your new firmware, your lens will disconnect and then reconnect, and now you can head back into your device information folder to confirm your new firmware version. Now we'll do the final step, which is calibration, and make sure you please follow these instructions fully and completely. First, attach your lens to the camera body, turn it on and make sure it's set to aperture priority. Next, set your aperture to f4.5 and set your focus mode to manual focus. From here, start turning our focus ring to the right to our minimum focus distance. It should go all the way down to 0.8 meters, and from there, keep going 3 or 4 rotations. When you've done that, take a photo and wait till the camera's done writing to the card. Now immediately turn off the camera and remove the battery for 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, put the battery back in and start up the camera. And that's it. It's gonna think for a while, but you're done. Use your aperture dial and go all the way down to f1.6. I'm personally thrilled with this update. It was a fantastic buy and great value lens before this update. This just puts it over the top, making it, in my opinion, one of the best value for money Sony E-mount lenses that you can buy. So a fantastic lens made even better, and sure, it's only an extra third of a stop of light, but every little bit counts, making this thing just that much more desirable. Here's a few examples and comparisons of the new f1.6 versus the f1.8 that we're used to. And it's not astronomical, but very welcomed. There's lots of videos out there on this Viltrox, mine included, that need to be completely redone and rethought about. But if you don't own this lens yet, it's a no-brainer. Absolutely pick it up. It's a great budget option, and I highly recommend it. If you like this video, if it helped you out and you want to see more just like it, consider hitting that like and subscribe button. Drop your questions and comments down below. I'll also mention that I'm giving this lens away to one of my lucky subscribers, so thanks guys for all your support. If you're ready to pick this lens up now if you want to buy it, I'll leave affiliate links in the description for you. And like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you soon.